From London to Paris to the pyramids of Egypt, millions of Americans dream summer vacation, overshadowed this year by an unwelcome travel companion: fear. We travel to Paris as the State Department warns Americans vacationing in Europe to stay alert. In 2016, 83 million tourists traveled to France, but that's fewer than in previous years, so changes are planned. Beneath the Eiffel Tower, they're planning a huge wall of bulletproof glass.
It's 3 meters high, and we want to do it as transparent as possible, like make it almost disappear.
So you still get this incredible view?
Totally, totally.
You won't necessarily even know it's there.
Close by, vehicles will be banned. Last year in Nice, a jihadist drove a truck into crowds of vacationers, killing 86.
So there'll be no cars here at all?
Normal traffic is going to be abandoned.
Meanwhile, the French say, while bookings dramatically drop after an attack, Americans quickly return. Next, we flew to Egypt, a country of wonder and magic, but facing far greater challenges. In 2010, tourism to Egypt brought in $12.5 billion. Last year, that was down to $3.4 billion. Among those still determined to come, a family from Salt Lake City.
Well, it's great to be here now without all the crowds.
You feel safe here?
Absolutely.
High security at Cairo's international airport. One passenger pulled aside while we filmed, carrying parts for a pasta machine.
The explosive expert who came to check this, is safe or not.
While en route to the New York gate, we're checked again and monitored on security cameras. Here too, they say, the tourists are returning.
If ordinary people get afraid and decide not to move, then terrorists will have won.
Americans who travel on the front line, confronting fear, helping the world seem a little less divided. Keir Simmons, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.